In this edition of Into the Fray, let's take a look at a statistically perfect gunfight. I'm out here at the range and I'm putting some rounds downrange trying to get some training, and I'm thinking about this video. Take a look at this. It is a police officer involved in what amounts to a statistically perfect gunfight. That is 3 rounds from 3 yards in about 3 seconds. That's how gunfights typically happen. The police officer is arresting this man, escorting him off his porch, taking him to the police cruiser, when the man pulls a gun out from under his coat, points it at the cop. The cop is able to knock the gun away, draw his own gun, and put 3 rounds into the bad guy. And remember what we say when you're shooting. After your string of fire, maybe do that tactical scan. Look around. See who's coming up behind you, because look at this guy come running out from the backyard. The police officer, immediately after the shooting, moves to cover and starts looking around, does his tactical scan, and he picks up this guy come running in. That guy certainly doesn't want to get shot at this point. You can see that in the look on his face. This is what happens when you're in a gunfight. If you're standing at the range like this, just plinking at 25 yards, you're not training for a gunfight. You need to find some place where you can shoot short and fast. I'm Kevin Michalowski, editor of Concealed Carry Magazine. Let's keep this conversation going. Where and how can you best train for a real gunfight? Talk about it in the comments section down below. And if you like these videos, please share them with all your friends. Let everybody know what's going on. And click that notification bell up in the corner. We'll notify you every time we come out with a new video.